We have a 3CX Contractor Pro. We've always had a backhoe since day one, just for the versatility of being able to do everything on site with it. On site we've used it for doing all the drainage, the oversight, moving all the materials around. It's easy when we need the forks, we just drop the bucket off, it takes a minute and off we go. It's a forklift then. We also have a pan mixer that fits onto the front of the machines and it turns it into a concrete mixer. The convenience of having the pan mixer means if you just want a metre of concrete, you're not waiting, you can just get on and mix it. As a small business, we need the versatility of a machine like that.